In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google BigQuery to Google Data Studio. First, open your browser and search for Google Data Studio. You'll see that it's now called Looker Studio, but the process is the same. Click the official result from Google to open the home page. This is where you'll create and manage your reports. When the page loads, you'll typically be signed in automatically with your Google account. If you use multiple Google accounts, glance at the profile icon to make sure you're on the right one, the one that has access to your BigQuery data. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. On the Looker Studio homepage, start a new blank report. You can do this by clicking the Create button in the top left and choosing Report, or by clicking the large plus sign you'll see on the homepage. This opens a fresh canvas where you'll add your data and build visuals. A panel called Add Data to Report will appear. From the list of connectors, select the BigQuery connector. This connector links Looker Studio directly to your BigQuery tables so your charts and tables can pull live data. Next, you'll see the configuration panel. Here, choose where your data lives. You can browse My Projects for projects you own, shared projects for those that have been shared with you, custom query if you want to write your own SQL, or public datasets for Google's ready-to-use sample data. Pick the source that matches how your data is organized. Now drill down to the exact data. Select the project, then the dataset, and finally the table you want to analyze. If you're working with partitioned or date-sharded data, make sure you choose the correct table so your report reflects the time frame you expect. You'll need at least view access to that table in BigQuery for this to work. When you're set, click Connect in the top right. In some older interfaces, this button may read, Add Looker Studio will establish the connection and bring you to a schema view. You'll land on the Fields panel, which lists all available dimensions and metrics. Take a moment to review them. You can adjust data types, such as changing a field to date or number, and set aggregations like sum, average, or none. This is a good time to confirm that currency or percentages are correctly formatted and that text fields aren't mistakenly treated as numbers. Small fixes here prevent confusing results later. That's it. Your BigQuery data is now connected to Looker Studio, and you're ready to start building your report and visualizations with confidence.